YouTube, what's going on? Soul Review Kicks here, back with another unboxing, another review. Actually, more of a haul video. Went to my local Nike outlet store and grabbed a couple items that I saw that I haven't seen in a little bit and decided to purchase them. Yeah, let's get into it. All right, as you see, first on the table, a little something different. I'll switch it up for you. I know we always do Nikes and Jordans and stuff like that, but we have here today is the LeBron 21 in the Tahitian colorway. Okay, so a little different. Mix it up for you guys. You know, take a look at the box. As you see, LeBron 21, black metallic pewter, iron gray. I mean, I was told these are the Tahitians, but you guys tell me, just in case. Nice little box, nice presentation from the man himself. Kind of got that Jordan-esque to it, especially with this 21. I remember seeing that before. Anyways, let's get into this. Check that bad boy out. All right, and here we go. Oh, presentation. Wow. All right. Some neat paper. Oh, I like. All right, let's talk about the box though. So this box sits a little different than most boxes. It actually opens up. As you see it opened up like this, it stands like that. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'll show you the side. You see how it just sits like that? Box supposed to open up just like that, okay, just in case. Oh, look at this. We haven't seen something like this in a... Wow. Got a little insert. Ooh. Pretty nice little insert. I typically don't buy LeBrons, but I seen them. They were on sale for $200. From $200, I'm sorry. This shoe actually came out November 3rd, 2023 for $200. And I got them on sale for less than 60 bucks. Yes, I copped it. I was like, yep, give it to me. Pretty neat. Jordan, get back into that, please. All right, let's have a look at the shoe. If we can find it. Ooh. Okay. Let's put that down right there real quick. All right. Oh, the paper is stuck in the box. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. Okay. So I'm not seeing any YCM stickers or anything else except this stamp right above. Oh, that's gonna be difficult. Except a stamp right above one of the lid top there, you see. All right, not seeing anything else. You see how this, wow, this is a different box. Oh, I like this, man. LeBron doing his thing with the packaging. Alright, box size is going to be 351, wow, by 227 by 116. Okay. This is different. It's like a mid. Feels like a mid. No more high tops no more. Nobody wears high tops, I think. Wow, look at that. Little crown over here. I mean, it is kind of different than what I'm used to, especially with the LeBron. LeBron usually has like air bubbles, you know, visible ear units, but this material. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. It's got like a sheen to it, velvety. You hear that? Nice and smooth. Nice. Different. Little 21 on the hit right here. Sorry. Man, these are different. Looks like patent leather, but it's not. It's got this like velvety, I can't explain it. It's soft. All right, let's take a look at the inside of the shoe. Oh. All right. As you see, they're doing what Jordan brand needs to do. Actual shoe tree. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. Come on, guys, step it up. Can't believe these were under 60 bucks. Crazy. All right. Quilted tongue, I see. It's like the Ama Maniers. Nice. Little picture on there. Take a look at the insole here. Kind of curious what it would be. Oof, sticky. I hate the sticky ones. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 rings. Ortho Light once again. We've seen that on the Air Max 95s. All right, better look of the quilted tongue. Let's take a look at the inside. Graphite footbed. Stitching. Give you a quick shot of the shoe tag. I think. There we go. VO1. It's kind of hard because this shoe doesn't bend easily. It's pretty stiff. I think it's designed like that so it can maximize your performance. It's real sticky to your foot. Can't wait to try these bad boys on. Yeah, a little quick review. Quick unboxing. Little LeBron 21 I picked up from the Nike outlet. The second shoe, I don't believe there's anything different on the second shoe. I don't think so. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. As always, like, comment, subscribe.